what's up guys, this is Bhushan here. Welcome back to Bhushan 360 video. In today's video, I'm going to solve this Rubik Cube 3x3. Yes guys, this is my Rubik Cube 3x3 and today I'm going to solve this Rubik Cube 3x3. My name is Bhushan, you are watching Bhushan 360 video. Let's start it. So guys, this is my cube, so let's jumble the cube. See guys, I'm jumbling with this cube. And now you can see this cube is totally jumbled. So guys, today I'm going to solve this Rubik Cube 3x3. So guys, this is my cube and cube is totally solved. Thank you. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. So please click on my photo here and subscribe my YouTube channel. And guys, please press the bell icon to watch latest 360 videos. Thank you.